Americans celebrate Independence Day on the 4th of July. July 4 is a federal holiday in the United States of America to remember and respect the adoption of the Declaration of Independence to 45 years ago on July 4, 1776. The Founding Fathers declared that the 13 American colonies regarded themselves as a new independent nation. The United States of America were no longer under the rule of Great Britain. Independence Day is commonly associated with fireworks, parades, barbecues, fairs, picnics, concerts, baseball games, family reunions, and political speeches. Independence Day is the national day of the United States of America. History of Independence Day. The Continental Congress was the first government of the United States. When the initial battles in the Revolutionary War broke out in April 1775, few colonists desired complete independence from Great Britain. By the middle of the following year, many more colonists had come to favor independence. On June 7th, when the Continental Congress met at Independence Hall in Philadelphia, the Virginia delegate Richard Henry Lee introduced a motion calling for the colony's independence. Amid heated debate, Congress postponed the vote on Lee's resolution but appointed a 5-man committee, including Thomas Jefferson of Virginia, John Adams of Massachusetts, Roger Sherman of Connecticut, Benjamin Franklin of Pennsylvania, and Robert R. Livingston of New York to draft a formal statement justifying the break with Great Britain. On July 2nd, the Continental Congress voted in favor of Lee's resolution for independence. On July 4th, the Continental Congress formally adopted the Declaration of Independence at Independence Hall in Philadelphia, which had been written largely by Jefferson. The document proclaimed that the 13 original colonies of America were free and independent states. Though the vote for actual independence took place on July 2nd, from then on, the 4th of July became the day that was celebrated as the birth of American independence. Interesting and fun facts about Independence Day. Congress made Independence Day an official unpaid holiday for federal employees in 1870. In 1938, Congress changed Independence Day to a paid federal holiday. John Adams and Thomas Jefferson, both presidents and signers of the Declaration of Independence, coincidentally died on the same day, July 4, 1826, which was the 50th anniversary of the Declaration. James Monroe, another founding father who was elected as president, also died on July 4, 1831. Calvin Coolidge, the 30th president, was born on July 4, 1872. So far, he is the only US president to have been born on Independence Day. The first Independence Day celebration took place in Philadelphia on July 8, 1776. This was also the day that the Declaration of Independence was first read in public after people were summoned by the ringing of the Liberty Bell. Every 4th of July, the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia is tapped 13 times in honor of the original 13 colonies. Only 2 people actually signed the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776, John Hancock and Charles Thomson. It wasn't signed by most signatories until August. The Declaration of Independence was signed by 56 men from 13 colonies. John Hancock has the largest signature on the Declaration of Independence. Barbecue is big on Independence Day. Approximately 150 million hot dogs and 700 million pounds of chicken are consumed on this day. Each year, there is a famous hot dog eating contest at New York. Around 40,000 people show up to watch, and millions watch it on TV. Fireworks are part of the tradition of celebrating Independence Day. About 16,000 July 4 fireworks displays happen around the country each year. the US imported $227.3 million worth of fireworks from China in 2012. There were around 2.5 million people living in the United States when independence was declared in 1776. Today, there are over 300 million people in the country. The first week of July is typically one of the busiest United States travel periods of the year, as many people use what is often a 3-day holiday weekend for extended vacation trips. The first July 4 celebration took place at the White House on 1801, hosted by Thomas Jefferson. Massachusetts became the first state to make the 4th of July an official state holiday in 1781. Held since 1785, the Bristol 4th of July Parade in Bristol, Rhode Island is the oldest continuous Independence Day celebration in the United States. In 1778, George Washington gave his soldiers a double ration of rum to celebrate the July 4 holiday. Independence Day fireworks are often accompanied by patriotic songs such as the National Anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, God Bless America, America the Beautiful, My Country 'Tis of Thee, This Land Is Your Land, Stars and Stripes Forever, and regionally Yankee Doodle in northeastern states and Dixie in southern states. The stars on the original American flag were in a circle, so all the colonies would appear equal. Starting in 1818, new stars and stripes were added to the American flag, each on July 4 to make the creation of new states. A salute of one gun for each state in the United States, called a Salute to the Union, is fired on Independence Day at noon by any capable military base. Since 1959, the International Freedom Festival is jointly held in Detroit, Michigan and Windsor, Ontario during the last week of June each year as a mutual celebration of Independence Day, July 4 and Canada Day, July 1st. Be proud to be an American and salute the brave souls who made this day possible for us. Happy Independence Day.